guys, welcome back to my channel. We are talking about today how not to give your girlfriend her space. If you aren't great at communication or bringing up new topics, these may be your go-to ways to give your girlfriend her space. They are just a disaster waiting to happen. So before you try out these failed methods, don't. Number 1, ghost her. Giving her the space she needs is healthy, but just going silent and cutting her off for hours or days is cruel. Space is not helpful if she doesn't know what this is. In fact, if you just stop talking to her to give her space, you will likely be making her think even more about you. She will wonder what is going on, which is not space at all. So please, talk to her before giving her her space. Number 2, shut down. Similarly to ghosting, growing distance to let her have time alone is no use. If she reaches out in text or in person and you just keep things on the surface level, you just once again make things worse. Giving her space without telling her that is what you're doing is a surefire way to make things a hell of a lot worse. Number 3, cancel plans. This is one I have had my experience with. I had a boyfriend once told me he cancelled plans last minute because he knew I wouldn't have plans and I would have my space to work on me. Yes, that very well could have been an excuse. He was also mean and didn't let me decide on my space. Her time is hers, not yours. You cannot decide when or where she takes her space. If you have plans, she most likely wants you to keep them. So don't give her her space, spur of the moment like that. Number 4, start a fight. Maybe you want to give your girlfriend her space so that you can have your space. So you start a fight. That sounds healthy, right? Wrong. Trust me, bringing up calmly that you want some space and time for yourself is much more beneficial and healthy than a fight to create space. That is just a bad move altogether. Number 5, ask her when she has had enough. Say you give your girlfriend her space. You agreed she would go out with her friends once a week. Yes, you can let her know you will be there when she no longer needs the said space. But do not reach out all night. Do not ask what she's doing or constantly remind her to stay safe. Or you ask her how to boil water or work the DVR. If you're giving her space, just do it. Hopefully, you know how to give your girlfriend her space without making things worse. Having your own space from a relationship is good. Just be sure to communicate so it doesn't go awry. And that is how not to give your girlfriend her space. So if you've been thinking of giving your girlfriend her space and this is what you do, please do not, because you're not giving her her space. If you like the video you just watched, make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, and I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Leave a comment down there below in the comment section. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.